that this tender process needs to be stopped because tourism department cannot handle garbage on the beach. जेन्ना solid waste management corporation form केल्ले आहा तेका managing director आहा तेका staff आणि 22 engineers आहा. Honorable tourism minister is the head of the tourism department. He can also be part of the solid waste management corporation as one of the director. I am ready to step down and he can join in. But let the process be properly done.
आदलो पर्यटन मंत्री परुळेकर खंय बीजेपीचो म्हूण सुटलो.
Dilip Parulekar was our minister. He is being spared. Otherwise, he would have been in jail. Let us be very frank on that.
मजगती बीच क्लिनिंग टेंडर आपल्याक दिवचे म्हूण तारवट्यांची संघटना लोबो कडेन पावली.
We are ready to put a tender. So आमचे पण retired तारवटी आहात आणि widows आहात. From that village, they will clean the beaches. They will maintain.
मायकल तेमाक पेटला. सांज मेरेन तो टेंडराचो इश्यू घेवन दुयेंत मुख्यमंत्र्या मेरेन पावलो.
And some people in the department of tourism are not interested about the alarming situation about the garbage on the beaches in Goa because they get salary from the state fund. So we are waiting for that for things to fall in place by tomorrow.
पण तुम्ही टेंडरिंगाचे सांगले ते कधी?
Yeah, I have told that I have given a letter to your office that tender cannot take place as there was earlier a big problem and our ex tourism minister was implicated in that problem. So I have appraised him that the tender process cannot be continued by Department of Tourism. It has to go to solid waste management and he has agreed on it.
Bureau report prudent.